Welcome to Liberty Defense. The HEXWAVE walkthrough screening system uses proven millimeter wave technology to deliver advanced detection of non-metallic and metallic threats. It's built for urban security and airport aviation worker environments, providing seamless and touchless high-throughput flow. Today's metal detectors in the field, even so-called smart metal detectors, can only detect metallic objects. HEXWAVE uses enhanced AI-enabled detection to find concealed weapons and improvised threats, such as 3D printed guns, ghost guns, and explosives made of liquid, powder, or plastic. The system can also identify flares, tear gas, bear spray, and other prohibited items carried on a person. HEXWAVE does this at pace using a continuous S-curve configuration. Unlike most security applications that require people to divest items, HEXWAVE's walkthrough experience is seamless, so you can leave your cell phone, wallet, keys, and other common items in your pocket. HEXWAVE's AI can distinguish between threats and benign items, so it won't alarm on clothing, jewelry, or steel-toed boots, for example. HEXWAVE provides security officers with an immediate and visible go-no-go decision for automatic threat detection, reducing the number of false alarms and pat-downs, which then improves overall throughput. The system maintains privacy by using a generic avatar, and images are never seen by system operators. It works by using proven millimeter wave technology, a safe, low-power radio frequency signal that reflects off the body, creating an enhanced 3D image and producing 400,000 data points at 20 frames per second. The AI algorithms quickly calculate and analyze data faster than the human eye can see, providing an immediate alert if a threat or prohibited item is detected. We're continuously optimizing the deep learning AI algorithms so the system can easily receive updates on the latest threats being used by bad actors. Algorithms can be customized and trained for specific items of interest like drugs, alcohol, or merchandise, and immediately sent to the customer. HEXWAVE's mobility and flexibility allows customers to rapidly deploy in multiple locations, indoors and outdoors, as needed for their security screening requirements and as a layered security approach. HEXWAVE is commercially available and being deployed at locations such as airports for aviation worker screening, highly secure national labs, courthouses, correctional facilities, government buildings, and other urban security sites. The HEXWAVE is designed for any location that requires enhanced security. Liberty Defense helps combat threats with relentless security optimization. This is truly next-generation threat detection. Try HEXWAVE today.